Hey, it's Chris Magnuson with Street View Vagabond, and today we found a station called Booty FM out of Sapporo, Japan, and they are playing, mainly it's an internet radio station based on a discotheque in Sapporo, it looks like, and they're just playing some really great hip-hop, funk, old school funk, some R&B. They're digging deep into their crates, and it's a fantastic listening playlist. You should check it out. So we're going to go to Sapporo, and Sapporo is in the northern island of Hokkaido. I'm probably saying that wrong. And we looked up Booty FM, and there it is. That is the red marker. I know, it does have food. So if you click on it, boom. Why is it not coming up? It does say booty. There we go. All right. So you can see it says Booty Discotheque and Lounge and Bar. Okay, so this is a real place in Sapporo, and we're going to check it out. Y'all ready? No?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what we find in Japan. Remember, we're looking for just what we're going to find.
There's a lot of photos. Just wow.
Oh, look. Let's take a photo of that. It's like booty, right? The first thing we see is booty. All right. Again, we're going to wait till the markers leave. And
bam.
Gone. Okay, good. All right. We got our booty location. And let's save that. There's our screenshot. Boom. I'm just going to call this Booty HQ. Our booty headquarters. Okay, look at this place. What is this?
LC. Some letters I don't know.
It's got a little
They're
penguins.
not letters. They're
Characters, yeah. But it's like a rock. That's interesting. What is it? Look at that. Oh, looks like a big.
snake.
What is this way up here? It's like a person, like a mural. Interesting shot.
I don't know, but that looks like the I forgot the name of the movie, but it was like about a dragon in a teacup.
A dragon in a teacup?
Yeah, and then they came up, and it was like a roof with like no walls. Like
Yeah,
that.
look, there's a roof and there's no walls up there. I'm going to take that shot. I'm going to say dragon in a teacup. Let's call it that.
That was the kind of the roof.
I don't know. We'll see.
Right.
Dragon in a teacup. Okay. We gotta check out Sapporo and see what else we're gonna find here. Okay.
It doesn't even look like a dragon in a teacup.
Whoa, what's over here? What is it? Oh, we gotta start it. Boom. Start our timer. 40 minutes. Let's see what we got.
That's
Are you ready? Oh, that's in English. What are you ready for? What do you think that's about?
2022
Yeah.
K-pop
Lips. Oh, here's some anime. Idol Cafe. That's a really cool shot. Look at that. We've got like some anime. Am I saying it wrong?
Yeah, you're saying it wrong.
Stop. Get from my face. All right, and then this woman walking home by herself. All right, I'm waiting for this parking thing to leave. Look, is that like a person wearing a mask, or is that teeth? Teeth? It's like big giant teeth. That's a good shot. I love that shot. Yeah, got barrel tape.
That's creepy though.
All
His mask is weird.
right, I'm gonna call this anime. Woman walking.
You're saying it wrong.
Why are you supposed to say it?
You say it like regularly. You're saying anime.
How should I say
There's
it?
not like cars.
Oh, that's an interesting.
There's not like cars.
Yeah, I don't see a lot of cars too. Look at this symbol. You see this symbol?
Oh.
What is that symbol?
Taoyawa.
So it looks like a swastika, but it's actually a backwards swastika from the Nazis.
Oh.
But it's actually flipped, so it doesn't mean Nazis.
It means
I don't know what it means. I've seen it on I think Hindu temples. We'll take a look at this. We'll do some information about this. But look, those look like a rock that's there underneath that thing,
yeah, it
right?
does.
That's interesting.
What's it supposed to be for?
I don't know. Let's get a name of this place and do some research on this. We'll say Temple Rock. It's like a place in Jerusalem, right?
No.
That place. is. Oh, check that out. I got like a statue there.
Looks like
It's
a
like a
Hindu
Buddha.
thing. Golden.
Golden person.
My God, that is golden. Yeah, yellow fire.
I'm gonna try to see if we can get the not the. Ah, jeez, disappear, please. Oh, it's not coming up again. All right, let's go get this statue. A better image of this statue. Where'd it go? It's right here. That's behind this tree, maybe. Oh, there it is.
Wait, did they
Yeah.
blur out that person's face?
There's that.
Yeah, they did. The symbol.
They blurred out the face of that.
Why?
Yes, they did. Because I think the technology is grabbing, it recognizes it as a face.
Or maybe it's,
statue,
or
even if it's a, because you see that a lot on statues. Even, what is that? Is that a two-faced cat?
no, it's a cat carrying another cat.
It's a cat carrying another cat.
Because the
Whoa.
cat carried them by the throat in the back.
What? Look up.
Oh, there's a bunch of stairs.
Is that a spiral staircase?
Yeah, it's a very.
Let's check it out. Look at that. That's kind of cool.
Imagine walking up there and you live in the top. You're like,
It's like Afro play.
what if you live in the top of that? There's probably an elevator.
It might be like a fire escape.
There's probably an elevator.
I'm gonna take a.
But you didn't wait for.
Oh, I didn't wait for it to leave. All right, let's wait for it to leave. What is this? Thriller night? See that?
It says. Why did they make it that big? Oh, look at this.
Trying to focus in on that.
No.
It's called the spiral staircase, okay? Yeah, this over here. What is this? It's like Fright Night. Thriller night. Is that you? Is that what you said? Strings. And then here's Fabby. Let's go to Fabby's.
Go up.
What?
Look, it says 3,800 yen.
Yeah. I wonder how much that is. This is on the 5th floor. Should we go to Fright Night?
Nah.
I'm going to take a photo.
I don't like scary stuff.
You don't like scary stuff? I feel scared.
You don't even have to pay money.
You don't have to pay money?
Yeah, it says 2,800.
It's 2,800.
For like $10 maybe.
It's $10.
Because I saw something that was like 3 million yen, and in English, and in like dollars it was like
Wasn't that much?
$300.
Look at this. This looks like an Irish bar. It is an Irish bar. Look at that.
Mormon?
Looks like an Irish bar.
Because it is.
'Cause it is.
Why is there an Irish bar in Japan?
Well, why is there a Japanese restaurant in Ireland?
Yes.
Whoa! Crab!
And look, there's a dude carrying a skull.
Where?
Up there.
What is he doing?
Oh, he's probably a dentist or like a doctor.
Yeah, he's not part of the Thriller Night. No.
I think he is. I think
I'm gonna show this crab.
He probably is a doctor or something.
What do you think's going on in this shop right
It's
here?
a crab store. It's eat crabs. It's better. It's out in New Jersey.
We're not in Jersey anymore. All right, we're gonna let those things disappear. Now we're gonna get some crabs.
I like crabs.
I know you do. Me,
It's
not so much. I don't like crabs.
I like dipping them in
Crab. All right, let's keep going. We haven't made it very far. We're just on the same block. We're in Sapporo, the Booty block. What do you think this
look,
is?
it's like a. Oh, look at that!
Oh yeah, it's the light. They're all doing the lights. Yeah, let's check out this cat.
Hey, the lights are like. Daddy,
What do you think that is?
But it's karaoke. Look at the.
Yeah, the cat's got a microphone.
I remember one time I did karaoke.
Yeah, karaoke. Or maybe it's carrot. I was gonna make some dumb joke about caricato, but that makes no sense.
Yeah.
No sense at all. All right, so we're gonna call it cat karaoke.
Karaoke. Maybe
Cats,
it's a karaoke club.
karaoke.
Maybe it's a karaoke club that you can sign up for, but it's only for cats.
Oh, so it's just like non-stop tracks that say meow meow meow. No, not really.
Then I have to sing
What's
to
this?
the PS2 Tires.
Yeah.
That's just me.
No, look at this. It's the strawberry jam. What is strawberry jam? Is that like
peanut butter? No,
music and bar?
It's a place where you can buy strawberry jam for the toast. A lot of K-pop stuff.
I think it might not be K-pop. It might be J-pop. Oops.
Why J-pop?
What do you think? Where are we?
Japanese pop.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Where are we? You know what country we're in? You don't know what country we're in? What did we say at the beginning? We're in Japan.
Oh.
It wouldn't be K-pop. I mean, you could have K-pop. I'm not saying we don't play K-pop.
It'd be J-pop.
In Japan. But it could also be J-pop. Strawberry jam. All right. Oh, what's this in the middle of the street?
What's what?
We'll get down there in a second. See, there's so much stuff here. 24 hours a day, you could do bowling.
Ping pong. Karaoke. I like
ping pong. Yeah.
Billiards.
Billiards.
Ping pong? Yeah, I don't like those sports.
What is that?
A cow. That's being dissected by...
It disappeared on us. So what is this? This is July 2018. Let's see where the... where's the cow? Do you see the cow? There's the cow. November 2021. All right, so the cow's probably there today.
Pretty new, maybe.
Yeah.
Also, it was black when we went there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they've updated it since.
Also, what is that?
Oh, you want to get rid of this?
What's round one?
It looks like a shopping center. Yeah. Cool.
Or is that like...
Oh, what is this? God, hot dog, and rock? That. What is that?
It's a Seder.
It's a Seder? What do you mean?
Satire.
What is that?
It's a thing that's like has goat legs and like horns.
Oh,
and Percy
Jackson.
Satire?
Satire?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were saying like Seder.
This is girls' bar.
It's a girls' bar, but it's called God, Hot Dog, and Rocks. That has got to be the most interesting name I have ever seen. I don't think we're going to make it very far in Sapporo.
No.
We're literally on the same block.
You're interested in everything.
What? Aren't you interested in God, hot dogs, and rocks?
Wait, does that mean hot dogs are served with cold rocks?
I don't know. I think we should wait. We should see what this says. Hot dog, gods, and rock. All right. What are they serving?
Hot.
They're serving some hot. Look at that. That's a great sign. It's next to Sunny Side Up.
Wait,
Dude,
if all the signs are like that, imagine what it looks like at night.
Oh, I bet you it's so cool. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna give some credit here, okay? Hot dogs and rocks. Photo by Abdullah Al Shawahir. Cool. I'm gonna give him some credit, giving us that sweet shot. All right, I don't know. I mean, that's a pretty good find. Let's look inside.
Wow.
Oh, it's guitars.
Oh, it said rock. That's
what they mean by rock. It's not cold rocks.
No, but also, why is there a cello with a rock?
That's a good question. Because you can rock out with a cello.
Yeah. Is that a motorcycle?
Got some shaking. Looks like a motorcycle. Should we play it? I don't know if that's appropriate for kids. I'm not going to keep watching that. Hot dog. Got some jalapenos. Okay.
And alcohol.
Let's move. Oh. What just happened? I was going to grab that.
Grab that?
I was going to grab that. There's your round one.
So good photospheres.
A lot of, what those photospheres are is probably inside.
A lot of things.
Karaoke room.
There's a lot of things here.
So many things. I think we just
There's a lot of karaoke things here.
We ended up, I think we dropped down in the nightlife part of Sapporo because we started at the Booty Club. Right? So maybe
Karaoke.
karaoke club. Maybe we need to hit the map and get out a little bit. Should we do that? Let's see what else we got here. Let's zoom out.
Why is it all red?
Golf course.
Where's the 7-Eleven?
Oh, so this is the area we were at. So it's northwest. I don't know.
There's a lot of 7-Elevens.
There's a 7-Eleven. All right, but let's stay in this general Sapporo clock tower. Let's go check out the clock tower.
I love it.
Unless there's anything else you see.
McDonald's.
Whoa! Let's see what's at the clock tower.
It's McDonald's.
All right.
I don't see a clock
I
tower.
don't see a clock tower. I see Tony Roma's. Van Gogh in Japan.
That's a hotel, I think.
I didn't see a clock tower. What is this? This looks like an old house. Maybe this is the clock tower. What is this? Oh, I think that's the clock tower.
I see a clock and sort of a tower.
Yeah.
It's not
I don't know if
any
we'll
tower.
call that a tower.
I'll
Look like
call
a shot of
it
it though. We'll see.
a
Tired?
What time is it? Oh, it's 8:30.
Alright, so we're going to call this clock tower.
It's 8:32. I know now. I can see.
Okay. This looks like less of a party place.
It's more like a business place.
Yeah, it's more of a business place.
Yeah, it's in France. I like party better than business.
Yeah. I don't know about partying. Alright, let's go a little bit.
Yeah, see, everybody's in business suits.
Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so this is starting to get in the business area. Let's check out a park.
Nakajima
Let's see
Park.
what the park's like. Ooh, there's a concert hall. Let's see what the concert hall looks like. Ooh, there's a big egg.
Are you allowed
That's
to drive
pretty.
on this? Are you allowed to drive on this?
Oh, I guess so. Yeah.
They were following that guy. Nobody's
No, we just beat her.
Nobody's driving.
You get that shot? That looks like a nice place.
Look down. I think you're on a bike.
I'm on a bike? Yeah.
Then no, you are not allowed.
And look, there's somebody biking over there.
Then
Yeah.
you're not allowed to
You're
drive.
not allowed to drive. We're biking, y'all.
But
That's
if you
exciting.
were, they would probably. But if you still weren't, they're probably making a special. They maybe make an exception for that street
Okay.
there.
What was this? What was this called? Is this the symphony hall? No. What was it? Concert hall. Nakajima Park. It looks like this is a train line going right through the park. Let's see
Oh,
what
look,
this
it
is.
just cuts off there.
Yeah.
Right there, go forward.
Yeah. Oh, you mean it just stops?
Yeah, there's one part.
Look at this. There's a circus.
They're setting up for one.
Looks like it. Huh? What's that? Oh, that's a slide. Oh.
It's a sad slide.
It's a sad slide. Should we take a photo? We'll call it sad slide.
Who would want to go on that?
I think probably like 1-year-olds.
Be like, yeah, like,
So much fun.
yeah, because it's big for them, but it's like tiny for.
Right. We'll call it sad slide. Oh, yeah.
And for us, because we're like.
Because they're so massive. Oh, I think that's it. That's the stop. Oh, no.
No.
Alright, I'm out of here. I don't think I want to spend too much
Look,
more time.
let's take a couple pictures of the grass.
Greenery.
Wait, what if it was like.
Alright. Where else should we go, y'all?
Just.
Oh, here's a shrine. Can you check that out?
Oh, shrine.
Let's go check out a shrine.
Elevator
Then we're gonna go in.
or a shrine.
Okay, so this could be a Shinto shrine.
Look down.
Why you want to see? I think this is somebody.
Yeah, something.
Hello. Yeah, this is Mitsuyuki Minato. We'll take this shot.
Hey, Minato from Naruto.
Minato from Naruto.
Minato.
Minato.
He's from Naruto.
Cool.
He's like, he has his own
Sad
special.
slide. So this is the shrine.
Of resurrection.
Right up there. Oh wait, I gotta give credit. Ah, dang it. Let's do this. Save as. We'll get the proper name here. Sapporo Gakuku Shrine.
Hey, it says
By
it's Gokoku.
Tsuyuku Minato.
Minato.
Cool. All right. Let's give some proper credit. This is a photosphere, so we can't
Really going.
go around.
Oh, the parking place.
You want to check out this elevator?
Elevator.
What is that elevator? Just like a random elevator. Is it literally an elevator?
Yeah, probably. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you go down. So this is like the metro.
Hey, you don't have escalators. Do they call that an elevator?
Oh, is this it? Whoa! Look at all those bikes.
Whoa! I think they're rental bikes.
No. Jeez, look at how many bikes
A
there
lot
are.
of people bike. A lot of people are climate. It might be a lot to have a bike.
Might be a lot. You have to have a bike. So we'll take that shot because that's going into the.
It's called the photo of a million bikes.
Bike parking lot.
Forgot the A.
I can spell it the way I want to spell it.
Elevator.
The elevator. What's this bus? What's this bus?
Oh, it has a rainbow on it.
What kind of bus do you think that is?
Oh,
Look how big those windows are.
For kindergartners.
Can you take that photo? Let's do it.
Probably a school bus for like pre-Ks. I think it's a school bus for like kindergarten.
What if it was like a business shuttle?
Like,
we gotta get to the meeting. Let's get on the rainbow bus.
With the happy bunnies on it. But if it was a spy game,
you need to be a good spy if you were on a kid's bus like that.
Yeah. Yeah, because nobody would be sipping orange juice.
iPhone 13. Yeah, this is 2021.
It's
just how many? I'm just gonna take it again. So many bikes.
My legs are tired.
So many bikes. Oops, sorry.
So pro.
So many bikes.
Hokkaido.
Boom. This is November. I wonder how much snow they get.
I would bet not a lot, because look.
Mm.
Look, all the trees are green.
I know, but it's November. I mean, this could be like
look,
November 1st.
No,
look at that.
Yes, true.
Got some work going on here.
I guess it might not get that cool. Actually, wait, that person's wearing a jacket. You can snowboard.
Yeah, check it out. She's wearing a jacket. Okay. Look at this. This is kind of interesting. Why? Look at the color of their cones.
They're not orange. They're green.
I know. Why is it green?
Because they don't want to get me in the shipping order. They don't want to get mixed up with American colors.
Could be the case. Oh, dude. American color.
I think it twice. Or they don't want to get it mixed up with other kinds of private cones.
Or maybe it's for a specific purpose, like green cone means it's the gas company.
Or maybe it's just the color of
the water company.
Maybe it's just the color.
Compost company.
Compost company?
I'm just kidding. That's a funky car. Look at that.
It's
got a racing stripe.
Cute. And gets parking lot.
Mm-hmm.
And you go right into the...
Into here. All right, let's check out another part.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what do you notice?
It's a Toyota.
Cars are on different sides.
Are they?
Uh-huh. Well, this one's because of the construction. But yeah, this car's over here. Let's test it. Look at that. All right. Oh, there's another double wheel.
I think that's because...
And where's the driver? See, the driver's here.
That's a minivan.
See that?
Oh, okay.
So it's like
in
they drive on the left side of the street.
Isn't that also for like England or something?
Yep. England does it.
And Australia.
Australia.
Are we the only thing
Japan.
that... Wait. America is only one of the only countries that uses pounds.
You mean for weight?
Yeah.
Yeah. You might be right.
What
As opposed to kilos.
Everybody uses kilograms.
Yeah. This is pretty. Whoa, look at some mountains.
Just like when you go to Colorado.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Look at a mountain shot here.
Except it's green and Colorado's white.
Well, depends on when you go. So we'll have to look that up, see how much snow Sapporo gets. And you got mountains. That's pretty generic. Alright, what else should we go for? Alright, let's take a look.
Look at the pothole.
Oh, sweet. Yes, so it's hard to find funny names of businesses when everything's in Japanese characters, right?
Yeah.
I'd love to see if there's any.
Box lunch supplier.
Where's that? Let's see what that is.
Oh, actually, it's kind of good.
It's like bento boxes.
Except they're not separated.
Yeah, they're not separated. Box lunch. Convenience store. There's a 7-Eleven. How does it look? Does it look different than our 7-Eleven?
Yeah, it's on the doors on that side. Most of them. I'm serious.
Yeah. The orange is lighter.
Yeah, it's a different one. A lot of people take pictures of 7-Eleven.
Oh, look at the sign though.
Oh, it's it. 7 and I Holdings.
Interesting.
7 and I.
7 and I Holdings.
Oh.
And what do you think this is? This gray line.
A Main Street.
Let's see. Let's get on there. Get on there. Oh. What is that?
It's a train track.
No.
You
check it out. See all these wires?
Mm-hmm. It's for the city thingy that hangs on the wire.
It's for the trolleys.
Oh. Okay.
It's like electric buses. Look at this. This is like, if you want to cross the street, you got to walk up here, walk over here, walk down there.
Dang.
It's a big walk. Got some solar panels up here. Let's try to get over here. I want to see what this Acorn is. You want to go? Bakery. Donkuro Sapporo. Cool.
Okay.
Acorn Bakery.
Oh, maybe they make acorn flavored muffins.
Acorn muffins?
Acorn muffins.
Okay, you heading out?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, good night. Alright, you can go brush your teeth and all that. Okay. Alright, we're gonna get some Acorn Bakery. Boom. Let's paste that. Oh. Alright, what else we got? So this is that streetcar, that's what it says. Streetcar. I wonder if we can get a shot of what a streetcar looks like.
Well, can you just put your head down?
What is this? This is the ballpark. Alright, what else we got? More Tropical Farm. Tropical Farm cat.
Inside a yellow ring.
Yeah.
Oop. No, that's not. Oh, yeah.
It's like Tropical Farm brought to you by Cat. Da, 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 da. What is this? It's the golf center. Some serious golfing going on here. Oh, it's 7-Elevens. Look at this place. Maybe this is where that bus goes. It's like rainbows.
Baby is just flying in the air.
You throwing your babies up.
And then.
Look at that. That's cute. Should I take a photo of that?
That looks like a kindergarten.
Maybe.
There used to be here.
Maybe that's where the bus was going.
That's true. Pretty far from you though.
Alright, save. We're going to say hot air balloon. Daycare. Daycare balloon. Alright. Cool. I don't know. Should we go back to the Booty Street? See what else we can find?
We have 13 minutes. Residential. 13.
Yeah, I got 13 minutes left.
And 13 seconds.
What are we looking for? What do you want to look for, Luke?
We haven't really found any cool restaurant.
Beyond Age. Soup curry.
So that means anybody beyond an age can go there. Like when you have to go to the bar, you need to be like 18 or something.
Yeah. The soup, you need to be a certain age.
Yeah, you need to be like 84.
Possibly. All right, let's see what else we got. This is a really big city, so it's a lot going on. Markets. Oh, should we check out cookies? 9 keys. Not cookies. 9 keys. What's it? 9 keys. Every day. There it is, right there. Oh, that was exciting.
2015.
Hey, you need to get up. If you go to bed. Bye.
Look, it says 2015.
Where? That might be the address. You know?
But aren't
Yeah, it was
they
in 2021.
aren't they supposed to blur out it?
Maybe. What is this? The Times. Okay, so this is pretty. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, this is another school. Look at that slide.
That's the next one.
Actually, it does look. Oh look, they got a bus. That's a really big slide. Can you imagine coming out of your classroom and sliding all the way down to go play?
Well, you could just go through your classroom window and then come out and just go like,
yeah. Grab that. It's hard to see that slide. Like they got a bus over there. Looks like these might be like private schools. Why do you
they
think
look
you see so
like
many
minivans. Whoa!
Yeah, right?
They look like minivans.
You okay? They do look like minivans, but they're buses. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna get a good shot of this slide.
We have people who ride their bicycles.
A few of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. La 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 la. Paste. What am I gonna call this? Big slide.
Not sad slide.
Not sad slide, right? We saw a big slide, sad slide. Bakery, Cut Studio Alba.
Happy slide.
Cramming school. Ooh. What do you think about that?
Learn how to cram stuff into your backpack.
You know what cramming school is?
No.
It's where you go, they have them a lot in Korea. You go study.
To cram all your exams.
Mm-hmm. You go, after school, you go to a cramming school and study. So you can pass tests. Look, it's called Brains Gym.
So basically they just give you the answer?
No, they teach you and work you as much as you can so you know as many of the answers as possible. Brains Gym.
But
Cramming school.
But cramming doesn't sound like fun.
Yeah, I don't think it's really that fun. Cramming school. I read an article once in Korea of kids at a cramming school, and they would be like falling asleep, and they'd go to school till like 10 p.m. Oh, what is that?
Animal hospital.
Animal hospital.
Alba.
Interesting. All right, what else? Let's get back to the map so we can find something cool. Toyo Pet. Dessert shop. Oh, we already did the box lunch supplier, right?
Yeah.
What else we got? We gotta like zoom in this far to see something in English, right? Ooh, laundry plaza.
Surgery clinic.
Let's see that hospital. There we go. Let's check out this park. Okay, we got about 8 more minutes. We're still looking for
8 minutes.
some good funny names. We got some funny names from the booty area. Japanese confection store, Toko store, rice shop,
Is
pawn
there
shop.
a place where they sell like I don't know. Like
What?
they're like maybe it's like Korean or something. But I think they had like crunchy meat snacks.
Crunchy meat snacks.
It was either like British or like England.
Snacks video.
I bet you if you want crunchy meat snacks, you would go to 7-Eleven.
Oh yeah.
It's another 7-Eleven. Although this one
It has
is
a
harder
big
to
button.
see. Let me take a shot of that. There's a lot of 7-Elevens. You have to go aisle by aisle. I wonder if we can get inside and see what kind of snacks they got. Let's do that actually. Let's see what kind of snacks they got in 7-Eleven.
I wonder if they have Cheetos.
Okay. What do you think? Like you said Cheetos, what do you think they're gonna have inside?
Slurpee.
7-Eleven. Let's do this.
Slurpee.
Let's do it. Alright, let's go inside.
No, maybe.
We got magazines. Ooh, what do we got?
Sushi.
Eggs.
I got pudding.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Some eggs.
Wine.
Wine.
Why would they sell?
Slurpee.
Why would they sell good wine at the
7-Eleven? Because they can.
Why would somebody take a picture of this?
That's another question.
Oh, Valentine's Day.
Yeah, definitely Valentine's Day.
Maybe. Wait, when was this taken?
This doesn't say when it was
Oh, look
taken.
at the clock.
Oh, what?
Let's
Sorry.
go back. Look at the clock.
7-Eleven.
They're obsessed with themselves.
Ooh. Ramen.
Look at that guy.
No, it's what's the guy's name?
Ninja Kid.
No.
Ninja Kid.
Look,
Look,
he
it's a
got a
heart walking.
certificate. For some
All right.
And my heart is walking.
That's all we got.
It's like,
That's all we got. We didn't know. I can't see if there's any Cheetos. Okay. Label Chateau.
We only have 5 minutes
Dry
left.
cleaner. I know. 5 minutes left. You guys are fading. Unrated. Dart shop. Ramen. Alright, I think we need. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a hospital.
COVID-19 vaccine.
where?
Should we go? Oh, check out this park. Let's check out this park.
Why do you like hearts?
I don't know. I like something different, you know? Those trees are
Oh.
pretty, right?
That park doesn't look that big.
It's a very small park. It's a very small park. And I'm not getting a good view of it. You're blocking me, man. What else we got?
Yeah, person.
Stop blocking the box.
Or J-pop poetry.
J-pops.
If it
So we
doesn't say J-pop,
were
it's
in this part here, I think. What is this? Oh, this is the government.
What's the government?
No!
I know what the government
All right, this is taking us a long time.
They like
Whoa!
pay for something.
What is that?
The government.
That's interesting.
I don't know what it is.
Looks like they're protecting those trees too. I bet you
Yeah.
because
Trees are sacred.
this is
Government.
April 2021, so this is spring. They're protecting. Maybe they just got through winter.
The trees are like, no, I'm gonna fall down.
This is a government building.
Ooh, but everybody's still wearing like coats and jackets.
Yeah, because it's April. It's still chilly.
April is supposed to be cold.
Wow, that's a
I mean,
lot.
April. Look, yeah, we went. This is spring. Oh, it's so pretty.
And it's kind of
Let's see. When does it change to winter? All right, let's take a shot of it.
Oh no, you can still see.
Let's still see what.
Let's see when it turns to.
Summer?
Look down, I think you're in a bite.
Look, everybody's just
Okay.
staring at
Yeah,
you.
like, what are you doing?
Do you ever
That's a
try
crazy thing on your head.
Wait, let's.
Government building in spring.
Here.
Yeah, let's see. What are you on? I think you're on foot. Yeah, you're on feet.
Wait, keep going.
Oh, look at that.
It's still spring.
Keep going,
Still
keep going,
spring.
keep going. No, keep
Go
going.
into the building.
No, don't go into it. Keep going.
Hey, it doesn't really change.
Oh, I don't know why we had that. All right, I'm going to take this shot. Actually, let me go back a little bit. That's a better shot. I'm gonna do that. All right, we
I
got
like
3
that
minutes
tree right
left.
there. Looks like lily pads when you jump on them.
It does, doesn't it? It's really funky.
Nobody.
What'd you say? Lovely.
I said nobody would be able to jump on lily pads though because you would just sink.
You said lovely.
Lily.
Lovely. All right, lily pads. Look at that, it's cool. Okay,
The floor tree in this place.
we've got. Oh, here's Botanic Garden. Cool.
It's a
Train. Sapporo Station North
I saw
Square.
your red spots.
That's a good question. I don't know what that.
2
Yeah,
minutes
this
and
is-
27.
Metro.
Yeah, it's kind of nondescript. Not too interesting.
Mountain top.
What does the red mean?
3 chom.
Or is that a subway?
What's 3 chom?
I don't know. I saw that too.
Oh,
Shown.
look, it's a blue and a red.
That's
It's like
a
4th
cool.
of July.
Where? Oh, it looks like 4th
Or
of July.
Spider-Man.
So
Blue
guess
and
what
red,
time
blue
is
and
it?
red.
Oh yeah, it says don't go. All right, what do we got?
Oh, it's yellow light. Oh.
And we got Hasheo.
Mm-hmm.
All right, 2 minutes left. Anything
No,
else? What do we want to see?
1 minute. And 40 seconds.
Yeah, 40 seconds. Let me see. What is this? What is this? Oh, Planet Wings.
Oh, McDonald's.
Oh, this is a subway station.
Oh,
Look at that. Or it's a train station.
Oh, wow.
How'd we get in here?
You dropped there.
We did drop there.
Oh, everything's
Super
green.
cool.
Everything's like green.
That's true. It's kind of like those cones we saw at the construction site, right?
Yeah, those are all like green. What do you think?
All right, let's get out of here.
Can I?
Sky.
No.
Why is everything purple?
Can we go to the
Oh,
McDonald's?
so that's the train station there. Where's McDonald's? Where do you see it? That's McDonald's?
I don't know. It looks like it. Oh wait, no, that's not. Never
No,
mind.
that just means shopping.
Oh, I thought it looks like McDonald's.
Oh, there's a bathroom over there. You can see it right there.
Oh yeah, should we go?
Don't go into
It's
that.
a
Let's go
baby
see what
privacy.
What is Mr. Donut? Ooh, Ooh, it's an
Is it-
underground shopping
I
center.
think it's in a mall.
Hey, I didn't have dessert yet. Okay.
Look at that.
Ooh,
Okay.
that looks good.
Yeah, it's hard to get a good shot of that.
Yeah.
There's a lot going on in Sapporo. All right, so what is your impressions of Sapporo?
It's good. They have good snacks and have a lot of karaoke.
A lot of karaoke. We saw a lot of karaoke. What are your impressions of
They have a
Sapporo?
lot of stuff. Subways. And they don't use escalators, but they use elevators.
There's
And they
elevators.
and they use like
From what we could
green stuff.
But I can say
Yeah.
there wasn't a lot of stuff that was super interesting.
Uh-huh.
But it's a big city and it's very city.
Yeah,
City
it's a big city. You know what I noticed? There's a lot of 7-Elevens.
That's true.
A
And
lot of
there's a lot of
7-Elevens. What else? Oh, and the clock tower.
And the clock towers and the towers.
Oh wait, let's do this. Oh, there's a TV tower. Last thing. Let's see what this is all about. This looks like a greenway. Whoa.
Whoa. Take one more screenshot of that.
That's cool.
You
Take a
just some sort
screenshot
of
of it.
major celebration.
I think it's just a fountain in summer. All right, y'all. Say bye-bye to Sapporo. And say thank you
I like
for hanging out. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Take care. Thanks for watching.